In this video, you will learn how to short sell on the Charles Schwab app. Log into your Charles Schwab mobile app. Open the app and sign in using your credentials. To access your account, tap trade at the bottom of the screen. This brings you to the order entry screen where you can place buy and sell trades. Select your margin account. Make sure you're using a margin approved account, which is required for short selling. Enter the stock symbol you want to short. Type in the ticker symbol of the stock your betting will decrease in value. Choose short sell as an action, then enter the quantity or order type. Select short sell, enter how many shares you want to short, and choose your account order type, such as market or limit. Review and place the order to confirm your short sale. Double check all that your details are correct, then submit the trade to open your short position. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.